It is red alert time. It's over there, Bravo. Is it just me, or do you guys like feel something? Something feels a little different this time. And cue the fire and get rid of that thing that's spinning. My ADHD will go crazy. But you know, like, okay, it's bad, but this time I think it's something's different. Something is not sitting right in 2023. And I would just say be careful not to go all in. Maybe that's what it is. Or from Mike Wilson, he says it is going to get very, very, very ugly. And I honestly think there was one too many varies in there. So just very ugly. But there is ways to make money, okay? Now, if you were to look at this chart, I want to get to your comments. You guys had some really great comments. I think there's an opportunity here. So I want to show you something on Nat Gas. I also want to show you some articles from CNBC that says, you know what, 10 years, we could be flat as a board. And that is the reason why I swing trade and I take advantage of all those stupid little lines all over the place. Also, if you could you just hit things like likes and subscribes? YouTube totally hates me. Look at this. I want to show you yesterday's video. 12,000 views, even though I got almost 12,000 comments. I mean, I'm lying a little bit, almost 900. Like, come on, YouTube. And yesterday, I was watching like my views go from 20,000 to 15,000 to 10, like it's going backwards. And there's a couple comments I just wanted to, Bravo, I took your bear market course and now I can't stop seeing patterns. Any advice? Once it's seen, you can't unsee. Which it's pretty cool because when people up on the news, they start talking and I'm like looking at the chart. I'm like, guys, that's not what's going to happen. I look forward to your daily videos. Yes. I'm going 6 straight days, green days. Yes. Damn, I missed yesterday's video. Thanks for mentioning the swing trade on Ford. Well, I got another one for you. You say my videos are better with chart analysis. Well, I try, and you're up 290%. Congratulations. You know what's sad? There could come a day that YouTube, poof, I be gone. There's actually one day that almost happened because there was some words I said, and you can't use certain words, and there's no like 1, 2, 3, you're out. It's your channel is gone. So if for some reason one day I'm just poof gone, just know I will always be in your heart, and know you will never be able to find me again. I don't have 2 channels. I don't have 3. Dr. Doom's mother of all crises looming. Are you ready? I mean, I will be ready, Natasha Wright. Or wrong. It's one of those. We are yet to see. I'm going to say that again. You've seen nothing yet. And I believe that. I just do. But it's okay. To see this little red line, I'll make money on the way down. To see whether it will be a hard landing or a soft landing by the end of 2023. I'd say that's pretty hard. And this guy has the look of it's not really that hard. I mean, honestly, that guy's face is like the face of, you know, when you're on the toilet, right? And you drank too much tequila the night before and you're just sitting there, you're like, why did I do that? And then you know you're going to do it in 3 days from now. Or actually, the process kind of looks like you got that hangover, right? You swear you will never drink again. The next day, you're like, I'm never going to drink again. Second day, you're like, I'm feeling really good. Third day, you're out. You see someone like with a nice glass of Chardonnay or whatever you guys drink, and you're like, you know what, that looks really good. That must be what you ladies feel like, right? After you shoot out a gigantic basketball out of, you know, the fun zone, and you're like, I'll never do that again. And then you decide you put another baby in there. I would honestly say, ladies, I think that you got the wrong end of the stick on that one. Or just the tip of the stick, something like that. Anyways, Biden's administration has why did I get stuck on shamelessly? Too many vowels, consonants, syllables, pumped thousands of billions. It's not Biden's fault. Any politician would have done it. Billions, it was trillions into the state financial system for less than 2 years, announcing even a brand new deal. Well, that's what politicians do. And then you have to pay it back with your taxes, which that's what I'm freaking out about, right? That $5 to $10 trillion, yeah, you got to pay that back in your taxes. Now there's this big fight about, let's cancel the IRS, which I'm actually really liking this. Although it's probably a hell of a lot of theater. House Republicans to vote on bill abolishing IRS, eliminating income tax. Hooray! Call me crazy, but do you not think 37% is a little high, right? Why so high? That's almost, and then you throw in state. If you guys live in a state, they grab 10%, 12%, for good measure, a couple more percent. Half of my income, right? Look here, look. This is better. I make two silver coins, okay? The government says, okay, give us one of them. Okay, that makes complete sense. Oh, bravo, I don't make 578. I mean, you're right. I mean, at 231, still at 35% plus another 15, almost up to 50. Do my math right, 15 and 35 is 50. And then throw in some property taxes. You want to know a way to avoid that? That would be sell plastic junk, right? Start businesses every single day. And then you don't have to worry about these breaking news. Bed Bath & Beyond lays off more employees. Yay, bye-bye. As they file for bankruptcy. No, they didn't file. They didn't file it yet. Just give it time. I'm sure brick and mortar is a great way to go. The S&P 500 coming in from Carmen. S&P 500 will gain almost nothing in, let me hold them up. See here. I'll step back. That's 10. Count them. 10 years. But it looks like Stifel. That was a good movie. Stifel predicts. I don't think that's Stifel. I think that's a Getty image of Michael. So that is definitely not Stifel. Stifler, right? Remember? Good movie. Stifler. What was better than Stiffy? Stifler's mom. But it looks like Stifler is telling you stock investors. Ooh, I would hate to be an investor. Although I am. I do hold a SPY position for a very long time. So when I finally, when I hit my 30s, then I can start cashing out. Stock investors may be looking at weak returns over the next decade. And if you're from LA Unified, that's kids, that's 10 years, or adults that went to LA Unified. That's 10. So it's a lot of years to wait. Actually, you could be waiting 30 years. Sorry, that's just how markets, they like to take all your money, right? Max Payne. And then if you could just be a little bit smarter than the other guy, you could take their money. But he is saying that's because the secular bear market, which we might be in. So that's why I created a course on it. So maybe I could run this thing for 10 years. Yes. Bear market that started in 2020s is likely to persist. And for me, I don't care if it goes this way. Am I going the right? Nope, it's that way. I don't care if it goes that way, up, or if it goes down. Okay, I make money up. Okay. It's the same click. You right click buy. Okay. Then it gets to the top. All right. Then you sell, and then you right click and you click sell. Or I think Robinhood is short. They added that cool little button and you make money going down. Okay. I don't care. Now the question is, for those of you that are now chartists because you've subscribed to my channel, you see something like this and you are going to make money on one way or the other. And here's your test question. You ready? Okay, because I'm a college professor, so I can give tests, even though I don't. I don't give homework. I don't give tests. No, that's how I was in school. Kids seem to like that for some weird reason. I'm like, well, I think you learned it, right? Everyone learned it? Yep, we learned it. Okay. No need for homework or tests. Moving on. Well, let me help you with the S&P 500. Here you go. Okay, ready? See this green line? All right. You put in a short right there. If it crosses that green line, you make money going down. What do we do there? See that red line? Okay. Put in a buy. If it goes above that, and not just that, here I got my drawing pen. See, this looks like a dinosaur right here. Okay, if this comes up, and then, okay, you put in a buy, all right? And then it goes up. Now, okay. Now what do? You put more of a buy, especially if it does that. That, my friend, is called confirmation. Okay, but let's do this again. Test question number 2. Okay, all right, we come up here. We come down there. Oh no, what are you gonna do? Yep, you already put in a short. Now what are you gonna do? Yep, wait for it. Oh, put in another, just pile it all in there. I mean, this is just paper trading though. And not just that, you have a left shoulder, you have a head, and you have a right shoulder. Kind of like what happened here. Look, sorry. For those of you that like, now all I see are these charts. Yes, because you make measured move. You make money. You make your digits in your paper trading account go up. This one, you see, it goes up. it goes down, it goes back up, it goes down. This is a clear left shoulder, right shoulder. Let's see. Here's your left. Here's your head. Okay. And then here's your right shoulder. And then the measured move is from here to here. And then from here to here. Ta-da! And if you want to know where this one's going to go, above that red one, it's probably like 420. It's usually what it is. Either 420 or 69. One of the two. And oh my gosh, I can't even make this stuff up. Look. 420. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think that this is about... Nah, I think you might... I don't know. It depends on where this breaks. If it breaks here, maybe... There you go. Also, stop trolling me when you say you said the market was going to go down. Again, Bravo says the market's going to go up and then it's going to go down. Then it's going to go up again. Then it's going to go down again. And then test question. Then what is it going to do, Larry? Yep, it's going to go up again. It's going to go down again. And if you're dumb enough to buy and hold, you are going to get taken advantage of by people who are smarter than you. Sorry, that's just the name of the game. And trust me when you learn how to do this. Also, link in the description for dry January. 70% off my bear market or my swing trading course. Just start with one of them. And if you want to know which one to take, here, I'll give you a test question. If you go out to dinner with your wife and she orders for you because you don't even know what to eat anymore, right? It's just everything is falling out of your head. Start with a swing trading course. Or if you start a sentence, right, and you get halfway through and she finishes it for you, that doesn't mean like, oh, you guys are so much in love. That just means most of your brain has been dissolved. Actually, last week we were doing something. My wife finished my sentence. I'm like, please don't ever do that again. She goes, that is so rude. Why would you say that? I said, at some point, you're just going to be saying all my sentences. I won't even talk. I'll probably be on a feeding tube. I mean, you're like AI in the worst possible way. But coming to Nat Gas, what are you guys going to do with this? Now, most investors would be like, oh, shoot, that's really bad. You just listened to all these YouTubers and bought it at $10 and now it's at $3. Boy, you've lost a lot of money. Well, I would love to help you recoup this. This is TradingView. This is the platform I use. Oh, and by the way, this was not in Bravo's, I have a Bravo's bear market watch list that I trade bear market, and then I have a bull, and then occasionally I throw out some on YouTube's. I want you to be watch this one. Also, you want to search ETF for natural gas, and just don't try to figure this one out. When these two cross, you put in a buy. That would be your swing trade. Oh, and just in case you want to know where to sell, when they cross up here. All right, now I've got that one out of the way. Number two, you are currently in a bear market in natural gas, but I want to show you something. How you see that right there, the white line, that's the 200. You probably turn on the weekly. I would assume you're under it. And oh, mother front door, Bravo calls 2 for 2. Let's see if I can get 3 for 3. By the way, you are so welcome. You are right there, right under it. You're under the 200. But I have some good news for you. So just because we're under the 200-day does not mean that we're in a bear market. These are just, you throw all these things in a bucket, you're like, this looks pretty bad. Also, if you are going to swing trade, you got to wait until that candle crosses the Bravo 9. That is that red line. But I want to turn on one more indicator for you that's going to make you kind of excited, which I said rarely happens. Actually, let me try this other Lux. I'll go and see if, oh, okay. There we go. You're in a channel going down. That is in my swing trading. This is all swing trading course that I'm teaching you right now. There's no crazy patterns, but you are in this zone right here. It's a rarity. I mean, look, see, it touched it right there. It's touching on the 200 weekly. There is a high probability, but I could be wrong. There is a high probability we are going to, let me move it a little bit over so you can see it right there. We're going to bounce out of that. Not just that, you're on the 200. It's going to bounce. I mean, if it goes under the 200 week, I mean, even in something like gas, it doesn't hang out under the 200 week for very long. Look. See, here, Linda, look, right here. You had like a brief fart moment, or going back a little bit more. Don't get me into this. Then I'm totally wrong. But at some point, if you were to get over in this area, see that? You're trading patterns. Also, you're not in this green Lux algo zone. None, not one. Nope, just once right there. Actually going all the way back to as far as I can go back, none. Just that one. What do we got? Hold on. Let's, because you guys will call me out. One, it touched there. Anywhere. No. Look how deep you're in that. That is going to reverse. Also, let me turn on my 9 count for you. I have never in the history of my entire life seen a 9 count like this. This was a 9 way back there. It goes to 9 and then it reverses. Look, you're in the deep, it's like green. It doesn't even know what to do with it. So can I just say, if you have a college degree and you've spent, I don't know, $200,000, $300,000, and you haven't spent a few $100s on a course like this, you're cuckoo for Cocoa Puff. Actually, right above my head. Sorry, I saw a squirrel. It's down 99%, 99.5, 100%. Someone in my family had their entire retirement, right? You know, where your company's like, we will go ahead for every 100,000 you put in, we will match that. Zero. The guy broke, nothing, kaput, gone. And I'm telling him, I'm like, hey, this is how you do it. Look at on this one. This was actually in my Bravo's watch list. Hey, look, right? Every day, provide for you stocks that I'm currently trading or looking at. Here's your 9 count. You're at 8. You should probably consider taking off. Just to let you guys know that are in the course or in the watch list, it's time to take some profit. You got in right over here. See, it's the beatdown. Bravo 9. Oh, no, it's going to 0. Wait, maybe it's not. Oh, a 1. Put in a buy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. You hit 9. Come on, you guys. Don't be so greedy. I mean, on this play, you're welcome. You're already up 11%. That's good. Come on. But when the whole world is going into recession, that's what the World Bank is saying. You're gonna make money and use that money and go help people with it. Actually, scratch that. I have found in my life I didn't mean scratch. Whatever. I was trying to draw a box around this thing. Oh gosh. I have here. I'm drawing with here. Look. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna unplug it. I draw with my finger. Okay. On that was a box. Okay. That's not very good with my finger. No jokes on that one. But yeah, giving people money, that doesn't solve things. It solved things in 2020. It did not. It made it more worser. And then people go, give me my stimmy. I want more. Give me more. So I don't know. You guys learn to make lots of cash, and then you do whatever you want. And then people will just hate you. They're jealous. World Bank warns. I'm pretty sure that's what it said until I was an idiot. Here, let me get rid of it. World Bank warns global economy perilously. I love words. God, I'm such an idiot. I am. I will admit it. LA Unified. Forget it. Well, thank you for you guys who helped me with birth control glasses. Right? Is that what you said? Military? This is what we had to wear. Or like another word you couldn't use on the YouTubes. It starts with an R, right? That's control glasses. My wife says I look cute, but that doesn't really mean, that's not a good thing. Because she looks at Rip and she's like, damn, that guy's hot. I'm like, babe, I look nothing like him. I mean, maybe sunglasses. No resemblance. We are complete opposite. And actually, someone in the comments is like, my wife wants more Rip. Okay, here you go. This is what he really looks like. You into the ginger? You see? See? Not what you thought. Also, in case you were wondering, that's his wife, right? Look, little Jennifer Aniston right there. My apologies for Squirrel, but hey, it's our channel. We have fun here. Not just like, if you want to just turn on CNN. They'll just give you all this. We go behind the scenes, or your crypto channels that only tell you to buy and hodl, buy the dip, diamond hands at 69. That's where it left us. 69,000. I say, you want to make money down? Okay, good. You want to make money going up. Coinbase. Be careful, guys. I told you, and I was 100% accurate in Bitcoin, and I have been. Coinbase fires 20% workforce. CEO warns, okay? When the CEO is warning you of dark times in crypto, you haven't seen nothing yet. Also, you guys did make some money from this move. Hey, you're welcome. Also, I have a crypto course. If you're into the crypto, gosh, so many people lost so much money. I didn't. See that red line? Rewind the tape. You go back a week, 4 days, 3 days. I said you put in a buy right there. And I see that yellow line? You have a price target, but it's not going to hit it because it's in a bear market. It just doesn't. It's going to get close. No, I won't even get. I don't even think it will get close. But good little swing trade. See, Bravo 9. Oh, you could put in your buy right there. Oh, hey, I left the 9 count on for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, you're overextended. So for those of you who are thinking, great time to pile into crypto, I would have to say there are other things out there that have less risk or that have more to the upside, like Nat Gas or all the things in my Bravo's watch list or whatever. You go searching, okay? You do you. So be careful. I love you guys. Have a blessed week. And like always, because I work every single day of my life, I will see you tomorrow.